Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread in my classic fitness happy planner, where I combined the colorful leopard with the florals from Flower Power, and I do really like it. We're on Thursday and I haven't actually filled it in yet, but anyway, moving on to this week. So this will be for Friday, June 11th through to Thursday, June 17th, and in commemoration of the new Disney Be Happy box coming out today. So today is Friday, June 11th. Gosh, my mind is all over the place. I will be using these stickers, and because I haven't ever used these before, I'm gonna also use the new Work It Out Fitness sticker book. Let's get started. So I've gone ahead and redated the whole spread, and now I'm just looking in these because I think some of the colors are going to work really well, while others not so much, but we'll see. So let's... Okay, I just want to see what I can put down the side, first of all. There's a lot of boxes, and not necessarily the type that I would use. Let's see. Let's put a little Mickey Mouse down, or a Minnie. It's too much of that same color. I said that this morning. Exercise is like therapy. Dear body, I love you. Okay. How do I want to do this? Let's put Mickey down. Then do like this. Exercise is therapy, and it is like that for me. I always feel better, and it's a great start to my day when I can exercise. It's when I don't get the time to exercise that I get cranky. It's like a different form of hangry. It's the exercise. I don't know what that sound means, but whatever. And then I'm gonna put down, you can totally do this, but I feel like I should leave a box for maybe putting my goals down. And I don't think there is a type of sticker for that. Today's goal. How do I need, what I need are boxes to kind of highlight my goal. So what I might do is put you to the side first. Well, no, if I put you to the side, I'll forget that you're there. So I'm going to use a bunch of these. So how many weekly goals do I have? I have let's see, making sure I get 12,000 steps each day, and then I feel like there's another. Okay, 10,000 steps each day, burn at least 2,000 calories per day, 2,000, oh wait, steps, calories, water, protein, and let's do another yellow for nighttime routine. Then this won't fit. That's okay. Cardio is cardio. I think what might work is if I do this with a little floral. Yeah, I don't mind the exercise. It's kind of being, yeah. Anyway, then let's go into each day. Focus on, workout, focus on. And I really like this. And I think I'm going to put it just on a random Tuesday with, you can hear my kids upstairs, with one of these, and I'm gonna white out where it says class and time, and this will be just, and I'm gonna even do it like this, it'll be a little journaling sticker. And I can put focus on with a little floral, maybe over here, like that. Sure, straight enough. And then do a today's focus with the green. So with the green, today's focus, and want to put, oh here, there's teeny ones here, which I adore. Which one? That one's teeny and cute. And this will be where my weekly weigh-in will go. Okay, so far, so cute. I'm going to take this with a, I don't want to do another focus on. I feel like I need one for, is there one that I could do for reflection? No, it'll have to be focus on, but I'm going to do it in a purple. I'm actually going to put it down here. Just like so. Okay, then I'm not the type of person to want to fill in every box with the box. So I'm going to, let's see. I like the water bottle, but I really like my icons small, super small. So let's maybe remove where it says that. 1 sec. I heard a loud bang upstairs and then, okay, so let's put a water bottle here. Then I'm thinking of how I want to do this. I like the weights, but how am I going to do this? Okay, because all my workouts are basically, let's do it this way. My workouts are lifting. That is what I like to do, is the lifting. Ooh, I can put down a rest day sticker because I actually do a rest day. So let's put a pink rest day with a cute little floral. I wish the Mickey, or the Mickey head was smaller. I always want graphics slightly smaller. Let's do Mickey rest day. Oh, that's cute. And then the weights. Can I still see? Yes. Then it's the first time I'm using this book, so forgive me. Then here we go. This for keeping track of steps. This for Come on. Weights. And then pink one for steps again, and then green for weights. I actually think that's super cute. Now, let's find the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Where are my tweezers? I don't normally label breakfast, lunch, and dinner because I find it just to be too much, but let's do pink and green here. So breakfast, I'm going here. Lunch, I will do this purple. About there, give or take. And then a dinner. Okay, I like that. And then that's not straight. Or there's just not enough, there's uneven amount of space on either side of lunch. Although, if you look at my schedule to work for the day, I do end up having lunch sometimes a little bit closer to dinner than breakfast. So let's line that up, and maybe I'll try a different color combination. So add maybe a blue with the light pink for lunch, and then the orange for dinner. And I do enjoy that. I feel like I do need to put something up there though. So maybe a couple more flowers, or I mean the water bottle is in one, oh there. I'm thinking the water bottle is in one color. It's not. Oh, I hear the puppy. Hi puppy. Hi Lucy. She's just gonna go under the table. I know there was another page of those icons, unless I'm going crazy. Ah, there. But the water bottles are the same colors. So, not a ton of variety in terms of the color of the water bottle. Oh well. Okay. So now I feel like, where'd she go? Oh, there. She's eating an oven mitt. I'm going to add a couple of these smaller florals around just to add a little something. Oh, there she goes. Okay, I won't add too much, but then I'm going to go ahead and write in it. I'm going to actually, I won't do a voiceover, but I will speed through this so you guys can kind of see what I use each section for, and then I will show you guys once it's all done. All right, so there's my overall finished spread. I hope you guys kind of liked that style of video where you can see me writing a little bit more in here. I'm really trying to work on making my writing neater and actually getting it in between the lines versus wherever on a dot or on a grid. I actually really like how it turned out. I kind of wish I had more water bottle stickers, but they were all the same color, which kind of drove me nuts. But anyway, in this top row here, I do journal how my workout felt that day, how just overall wellness, how I felt. And then in this row, I keep track of my sleep and my water intake. And the sleep scores I get from my Fitbit. And then I've pre-planned my breakfast, lunches, and dinners for the ones that I do know. And then as I go throughout the day, then I actually add in any snacks or anything that I've had on top of that. And then down here, I have my workouts that I have planned, as well as the steps and the calories burned. And then here are my goals for the week. So if I do my nighttime routine, get 2 liters of water in, steps, calories burned, and protein, then I fill in that circle once it has been achieved. All right, but that is it for me. Tell me if you guys like that type of style of, or this type of style of video where you can kind of really see how I write, even if it is fast-paced. If you like that type of video, please let me know. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've included a link for the Disney Be Happy box in the description below. So it does go on sale at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Friday, June 11th, and use code MAGIC20 to get 20% off your order. And I think that's only really valid for this weekend. All right, thank you guys so much and have yourselves a great day.